Anda masih bersama saya Safrina Nasution dalam Road to CNBC Indonesia Awards 2023 Best Digital Banks, dan kini kita lanjutkan dialog bersama dengan Presiden Direktur PT Bank Amar Indonesia Tbk atau Amar Bank, Vishal Tulsian. Vishal, a pleasure to have you. Let's continue our discussion. So next question from us is, what is your evaluations about the development of digital transactions value regarding saving or probably loans handled by Amar Bank this year?
So I'll start with the loan. We're very strong in loans. So we launched Tunaiku back in 2014 and serving the segment, micro SMEs and the underserved segment. And we provide a loan, unlike a loan which will be for just a month or two. This is a loan for 20 months without any security, all online. So this loan enables people. So loan has a purpose. Every money has a purpose.
I was wondering, how is your NPL then?
And because we are a bank, we have to keep it below 5%.
Okay.
Yeah. So loan is not per se what people want. They want to do something with the loan, right? The money has a purpose. Is it just to buy some impulsive purchase, or is it going to improve their lives? For an example, our loans are mostly used for business purposes or repair of their houses where they have the leaking roof or broken toilet. That's where they use, because the amount required is which large, and if the repayment is distributed over a period of 20 months, it is possible to afford that. So that's the key value proposition of this loan. In terms of the amount, it's a floor where I can say that within this month, we will cross 10 trillion disbursement.
Wow.
And our 1 millionth loan disbursement.
Wow.
So this has done quite well. So that's on the loan side.
Saving.
On the saving side. So we did not want to become just a Me Too bank. So our savings product, the tagline is, philosophically, save now, spend later.
Save now, spend later.
Right. Not buy now, pay later, but save now, spend later. What we mean by this is that can technology, AI, help people to save more? Because when we met with our customers and all, most of the people want to save. Yeah? Even Gen Z, they get a very bad media reputation that they are impulsive or they spend a lot. But that's not the case. They want to save, but they need some help in managing their finances, as they have many other things to do. And that's where our AI enables them to save. And we have created the product which helps them to save. For an example, in our banking app, we provide them with piggy banks, various piggy banks. They can put it in various piggy banks to save the money for a particular goal. Then recently, we launched a very innovative product. As there were more and more of frauds and cyber threats are there, people are worried that if their money is with their digital bank, if something happens and their lifelong savings goes away, if their mobile phone is stolen or the password is stolen, what happens? And this is a worry which is a valid worry. So we created a product called Brankas, which if somebody loses their mobile phone, even they lose their password. So let's say your mobile phone, your password, your debit card, and the password of the debit card, it's all stolen. But whatever money is in Brankas cannot be stolen.
When was this? When was
we just launched 6 weeks back.
Oh, nice.
Right. So that's the kind of approach which we take. That instead of trying just to increase the volume, we have to see that are we making impact in the lives of the people? Are they getting improved in any way? So that's on the savings.
Wonderful achievement, wonderful innovation. Now, next question would be, how does Amar Bank strive to maximize the use of digital banking transaction and banking platform provided by the company of Amar to be able to enter every aspect of the living for the existing and potential customers? As you mentioned, probably not only MSMEs, not only SMEs, but also retail customers, or probably even want to go further to corporate consumers. How do you want to do it in the future?
I'm glad you asked this question. So I can introduce the latest innovative product. You've been tracking this sector from long. You would have seen this, that 5 years back, banks were not so hot in in a market where a technology company would not want to buy a bank, right? If you look at back in 2015.
Yeah.
But something changed in last 2 years, right? In last 1.5 years, so many technology companies would want to buy a bank. What changed? What happened? Bank is same bank, same regulation, same regulatory authorities. What changed to the interest of the technology companies in
Is it the consumer behavior?
So one of the consumer behaviors, another is that the need for all the financial transaction, including lending and all the investment opportunities and all, are there is a huge demand, which needs to be served. And tech players realize that they would need a banking in their own ecosystem to be able to serve them. Because before that, what happens, any tech player, the moment there is a transaction, you as a consumer go out of their
it was
ecosystem,
separated back
right?
then.
It's a separated.
Yeah.
So we launched this product. Now, we see that only few of the tech players were able to take the bank, right? What about thousands of other tech players who are medium-sized, who do not have that deep pocket to purchase a bank, but their needs are same? How do we help them? And that's where we launched. We are the first one in the country. It's called embedded banking.
Embedded banking.
Embedded banking.
Please explain about that.
Right. So what it does is, you take any tech player who has a mobile app, and
their
the
needs
whole
for
banking
financial services.
need for financial services, we give them off-the-shelf embedded banking. They can go right now to our website, embedded.amarbank.co.id. They can download the SDK and become the part in their mobile app. It can make a part, and then their own mobile app would have the banking features, all the banking features.
Wow.
So your customers will have the access to a bank account, digital loan, all the digital banking products.
And Amar Bank facilitate this.
And we facilitate that, and they don't have to do anything apart from, it'll take like a maximum a day. Imagine any tech player can provide banking services within a day with this product. And we launched this just 3 weeks back.
So embedded banking and then Brancas.
Yes.
And in the years in the future, what kind of other innovation that Amar Bank will launch?
Right. So without revealing too much
Yes.
of the innovations which we have planned to launch.
Sure, Vishal.
But directionally, it will be on an AI base. So we see that AI will enable hyper-personalization.
Okay.
So the products which we will launch will be hugely personalized. For an example, today, when you are using a digital bank, and I'm using it, we both suppose are using the same bank, Amar Bank account, we both are going to see the same interface. But your needs and my needs are different.
Yeah.
Yeah? Can that be personalized? And that's what AI will do. And that's what we plan to do in the near future, that it will be hyper-personalized.
Hyper-personalized.
Right.
And probably, how do you see Amar Bank in the long term, or probably just 5 years from now? You have been going very, very far from Tunaiku in 2014. Now that you are now in 2023, how do you see it generally in 5 or 10 years, Amar Bank?
So what we see is ourselves, that what definitely we'll be doing, we will be continuing to impact lives.
Okay.
While doing that, yes, we will be launching cutting-edge technological products, but more about technology, it will be something which will solve the customer's problem, and it will improve their lives. So that we will be definitely doing it. And in the process, we will grow and make money, but that will be in the process. Our main goal would be that we should be able to impact lives.
Impact lives.
Yes, technology must impact lives.
Technology obviously impact lives, and obviously for the populations, a growing population number, this will be a very, very great milestones going on for Amar. We hope that it will be a continued success, and obviously great success and great health for you as well, Vishal. Thank you so much, Vishal Tulsian, President Director of Amar Bank, for your very insightful discussion, and a pleasure to have you in CNBC Indonesia tonight. Thank you.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you.